Here's a midweek garden check-in. We finally got some rain, and well, it wasn't that much though. I watered first, but then we got some good rain, but I had to reapply some diatomaceous earth. I am finding the flea beetles seem really bad this year, so I've also got those sticky things that I need to reposition. But it's really nice out right now. It's like in the 60s, and it's going to be getting warmer, but it doesn't look like it's going to be getting crazy warm. So things will grow, but I think they won't be so stressed. Little cucumbers there. And I've even got a few little buds on the pomegranate. Well, two. I thought I saw a third one somewhere. Oh yeah, there's the third one right there. I mean, can you see it? Oh, there it is. Sorry. I mean, I probably won't get any fruit off of it, but that's okay. And I had to make sure to go around and spray all the deer repellent. And the outside garden over there, which is looking okay. Let's get this on here. There's the train. I love the sound of the train, particularly in the middle of the night when I can't sleep. It's kind of a neat thing. These irises are just like have gone crazy. Those are already fading out. And I thinned the little sunflowers in here. They will probably need more thinning, but I think everything I planted that I bought with my friend last week is doing okay. Survived the cold, and yeah, so just a short one to show the lovely after rain view of the garden. And there's Avery waiting for her dinner.